Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change Celsius to Fahrenheit on your Honeywell thermostat. First, locate the System or Menu button on your device. You'll typically find it on the front panel. Press and hold this button for about 3 to 5 seconds. This action will allow you to access the deeper configuration settings, which are necessary for adjusting the temperature display unit. It's a simple first step to getting your preferred temperature reading. After holding the button, your thermostat screen should change, showing advanced configuration options. You might see something like Installer Setup or a series of numbered settings. Use the up and down arrow buttons to navigate through these choices. You are looking for a specific setting that controls the temperature display unit, which is usually indicated by a number or a clear label. Take your time to scroll carefully. Once you've located the temperature unit setting, you'll typically see the current selection, which will be Celsius. To change this, press the Select or Enter button. Each press should toggle between Celsius and Fahrenheit. Make sure the display now shows F for Fahrenheit. This is the crucial step where you tell your thermostat to display temperatures in your desired scale. With Fahrenheit selected, the final step is to save your changes. Look for a Done or Exit button and press it. This will save your new setting and return you to the main screen. Now, observe the temperature reading on your thermostat. It should clearly show the temperature in Fahrenheit, confirming your successful conversion. Enjoy your preferred temperature display.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.